I wish this board was flat. Why can't you be flat like me, bro?
Welcome back, little lambs. Today we're making Songlotus cake from Honkai Star Rail. Songlotus cake is a snack that you can buy from the food stalls in the Luofu. It's made from Songlotus, and once you take a bite of it, it makes a crisp laughing sound.
Damn, imagine your food's laughing at you.
First, you'll want your chopped lotus roots to be patted until they're drier than my DMs. Then we're gonna cut them in half to make a lotus root sandwich. I was struggling here because my cutting board is not flat. And look, before you judge, okay, look. Let me cook. Okay, let me cook. Hey, see, I'm so smart. This is how you fuck around and find out. I'm gonna pop these pieces into a toaster oven for 5 minutes just to dry them out a little bit more. Next, we'll make the batter. You'll need 1 extra large egg and some plain flour and some cold water. You'll want to mix the egg with the flour. I'm just kind of eyeballing it, but generally speaking, you want equal parts of egg plus water versus the flour. Mix it all together. I'm adding in the cold water via ice cubes because, well, I'm lazy. It will melt. Probably. So this is the lotus root slices that we just baked. Excuse the crusty ass pan. Sorry. Now we gotta figure out which lotus root matches which piece. Sec. I think this one should match this one. Like, it looks vaguely similar, so I feel like a toddler. Am I dumber than a toddler? Anyways, for the savory version, I'm using sesame paste and some pork floss as filling. You can use anything you want, but you will need something of a paste-like consistency, otherwise it's not gonna hold. To be honest, I don't know if this is gonna work. It looks like it's gonna fall apart, like my mental health. For the sweet version, I'm using lotus seed paste. It's quite thick, as you can see, so just smother it and fill the lotus roots up. Fill all the holes, okay? Fill all the holes. We love filling holes. Now, press it in and there we go. Yay! Okay, now we're gonna dip them into our batter and then deep fry them. The thing I don't like about frying is the amount of oil you use. It feels like such a waste. So make sure you keep the leftover oil because you can actually use that for cooking. Now, we're gonna test if the oil is hot enough. Yep. Reminds me of biology class. We're gonna plop our lotus cakes in. Shit. Oh. It's okay. Alright, they should be done now. Guys, look at this. That's what I'm talking about. Now for plating. I think, I put too much lettuce. Too many greens. Let me fix that. Just move this here and ta-da! Songlotus cake!